congratulations to you, sir, for organizing such a wonderful FDP. And really, we have learned a lot from this FDP, especially with this various theories. And Hemant Kumar sir, who has told us about the technological part of the innovation. It was wonderful and well organized, and those who have attended it properly, they would have, I think there is no problem in this FDP, and every information regarding the FDP was provided very well in the ongoing sessions. Thank you so much for organizing such a wonderful FDP. Thank you.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Yes. Anyone? Any more feedback?
Hello.
Yes, madam.
Thank to all of you to organize such.
Good afternoon, sir. Am I clearly audible?
Yes, madam. You are audible.
Okay. First of all, congratulations for organizing wonderful FDP on such wonderful topic, which is very much needed in this time when every field, every industry is looking for new innovations, and almost every industry is transferring or transitioning from offline mode to online mode, and this pandemic has given us a lot of opportunities to upgrade our systems. So this FDP was very helpful. I learned a lot of things, and what I learned in this 5-day FDP, I will be sharing it with my students also. So this was a good experience, sir, and thankful to be here. Okay, and I hope in future a few more sessions will be conducted, and I will be allowed to be or invited to be part of that sessions also. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I'm highly blessed. Lot of information with no pain, and thank you for accepting to join this workshop. So I'm highly blessed and thankful.
Thank you, madam.
Sir, can I say something?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible, and can I say something?
Yes, sir. Please.
Yes, actually, first of all, I should congratulate you for organizing this FDP and giving us an opportunity to participate in this. Also, I was really finding some of the sessions very, very informative and very, very useful. Only one area of improvement that I would suggest is that the sessions are needed to be much, much interactive. Right now, the kind of sessions that were delivered were actually, one way, and with few questions towards the end. But I think there are many ways to make it much, much interactive. The last week, I was attending a FDP at IILM University, Delhi, through Atal only. So there, they were organizing some breakout sessions. There, they were organizing simulation sessions and a lot of group exercises, which kept us very, very engaged. So to enhance participant engagement, I think those sessions can be, conducted at IIT Allahabad also in future FDPs. So all this is in a positive spirit. Kindly take it, and congratulations for a wonderful FDP.
Thank you. Thank you.
I enjoyed most of the sessions, and except few occasions, there are not any complaints at all, and I hope whatever good points I raised can be taken, whatever.
Hello.
Once again.
Hello, Ranjit. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir. You are audible. Fully audible. Fully audible.
Okay.
Now, if this participants' feedback is, is there anyone?
Yeah. I attended all the days of the FDP program.
Hello.
Hello. Sir, can I speak?
Yes, madam. Yes, ma'am.
Apart from that,
Okay. Okay. First of all, sir, myself, Dr. Somesh Sharma, and I'm highly grateful to Triple IT for giving an opportunity to participate in this FDP. I must congratulate for the topic which is being covered, that is innovation management. I think it is a need of the hour. Each one of us would agree, catering to the present scenario, we all need to innovate. Now, being a management faculty, I think the topics which were covered were up to the mark and were need of the hour again. Be it design thinking, be it different theories, be it supply chain, be it financial innovation. So I think overall this FDP was a very wonderful, very learning, and I'm sure every participant would have gained a lot of information. So thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. So now, may I call upon, yes, anyone else?
First of all, congratulations.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Such a wonderful.
So Venkatesh,
Yes, yes, Dr. Venkatesh.
can I go in?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, I'm Professor Venkatesh, I'm not doctor. Okay. Hi everyone, and I'm Professor Venkatesh from Symbiosis Institute of International Business Studies. While I take supply chain management, today's topic on this digital supply chain was quite interesting, and I attended all the other sessions, and I loved a lot of that innovation stuff that came in, and it's going to really help me also. Not only in terms of thinking about innovation, but integrating creativity, entrepreneurial thought, mindset, and innovation. So this is all going to help me also in upskilling myself and teaching students when it comes to whether supply chain management or any of the management topics. So first of all, thank you very much. Triple IT, Dr. Ranjit Singh, thank you very much for your coordination was very nice. In fact, through all the medium, and even though the weather is rough outside, but covering digitally to all across the nation is a big challenge. And the topics that you chose and the assortment of the topics as well as the kind of speakers, awesome. It's really nice. Of course, as far as engagement from the user side, yes, if there was some more exercises which we could do together, that would have certainly helped us. So that is all I would like to say, and thank you and congrats to all the team.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now,
Hello.
yes, hello.
Yeah, sir, thank you. Thanks to all participants.
Wonderful topic, which is very much needed in this time. Every field, every industry, almost every industry. More and this part has given us opportunity.
Okay, so now let me call upon Dr. Sasikant Rai to share his experience. He is one of the resource person. So let us hear from Dr. Sasikant Rai just to have his perspective about this FDP. So now, Dr. Sasikant Rai, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I learned
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning to you and Pawan sir as well. So, thank you to all the participants that they have been very cordial and you can say very cooperative. As we know that we are in the same boat, everybody on this platform are on the same boat. We need, because we are the initiators, and as given the feedback by each of the participants that the session should be more interactive and engaging. We will surely try to include that, but our concept, what and Ranjit sir would definitely agree to this. It was just the initiation that we have done. That is the relation building process that we have started, and now it's not like.
Sir, please unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sorry. So, thank you, Ranjit sir. A good morning to Pawan sir as well. So, I really want to thank all the participants. They were very cooperative, and they really has put their effort in these 5 days. And yes, the feedback provided that session should have been more interactive. Yes, we really think that from the next time, definitely Ranjit sir will also do that. But this was just an, you can say, the process of initiation. We have just initiated a relationship with all the participants here. So it's not like we have only conducted an FDP and we will forget. If you are interested, you have all the details of the various speakers and the resource persons here. So they will be very much happy not to work together, because we are in the same boat. We are all together. It's not the receiver and sender concept here. So it was a very great learning experience. Especially I thank Ranjit sir for providing me an opportunity. I was the most inexperienced person delivering this lecture. So I tried my best, but it was a very great experience, great participants. So thank you, Ranjit sir, for the opportunity you have given. And we look forward for many more such events, and with the improvements suggested by our friends online. So